So today we cycled from Valencia to Port Saplaya. It took us about an hour, and everyone keeps telling us to come here. Port Saplaya this, Port Saplaya that. It's like it's an amazing place to come. It's known as Little Venice.
Little Venice.
And everyone says you need to come here. It's a great day out. You'll vlog it and you'll have so much fun. Like, it's so nice. There's so much to do there. So we got here. It's not nice. There's nothing to do here. It sucks.
I think Tom's given it a bit of a hard time because I can see why people like it. It's pretty, and I can imagine like maybe 10 years ago this would have been such a nice spot, but it's just a bit run down, touristy, bit not dirty, but just, you know, generally just a bit run down. So I don't know if we'd recommend it necessarily, but we can show you about and you can make that decision for yourself.
I wouldn't recommend coming here. If you're coming to Valencia, there's a lot of good things going to do in Valencia. Valencia is full of such rich culture, so many beautiful buildings and things to do. It's amazing. Don't come here. Don't take your day out and go, we'll go to Port Saplaya. There's nothing to do here. It's not worth checking out. But you can check it out if you want. You might be different from me. You might enjoy different stuff. So we're going to show you about it anyway, and we're going to give us our raw opinions. I'll give mine, Lucy can give hers.
Yeah.
Lucy will be a bit more conservative. I'm going to be completely honest. Who knows what we're going to find out? Maybe we're going to see something I never heard of. I don't know, like...
It's a beautiful day anyway, so yeah, we're going to go explore, try and stay cool in the heat. Everyone's wearing jackets, you know, and we're just absolutely scorched, so...
That's definitely something to keep in mind. If it's a warm day, anything's fun. So let's go.
Yeah.
So I hope you can hear us here because it's like by the sea and it's a bit noisy. But Port Saplaya is like this 0.2 or 3 miles squared area where there's about 3,000 people living. So it's super stacked up. As you can see, like just behind us here, it's all like this. And there's 2 roads like that basically surround the entire area of Port Saplaya.
Yeah.
It's a super small area. We just walked all the way around it in what, 10 minutes?
There's like a huge wall that separates the town from the main road because there's a huge motorway that's really, really loud. But it's like this big plastic blue wall. It's really strange. I think it's just to kind of like keep the views in or something like that, but it's a really ugly wall, isn't it?
Yeah, I find everything about this place just a little bit weird and a little bit strange.
Yeah, it's been done in a very strange way, which is kind of I think it's very interesting to see because I've never seen anywhere like this. But that doesn't necessarily mean that it's
worth
nice.
seeing.
Yeah.
I mean, I get what you're saying, and maybe it is worth seeing because it is kind of unique because of the crazy architecture and the way it's built. It's almost like sort of like this urban phenomenon that exists, like these huge buildings, but all the nice buildings are inside, so they have no view, and they're all stacked on top of each other. And there's so many people here all living like in one area. And as far as I know, the cost of living here is really expensive as well. And you don't get much for your money.
It's like they're trying to hide all the ugliness with like loads of colours and loads of paint. It's very strange.
It's a weird facade it's got going on.
Yeah.
But we'll keep exploring and see what else we find. So this has left Port Saplaya. because it sucked. But on the way back, there's these little, like, I don't even know what you call them, but they're like little houses, like two-story houses in the middle of nowhere.
They're like miserable, but they also look fun. I can't tell, like, because I think they're little surf chalets, because some of them have surfboards on them, and they've got like solar panels, you know?
Yeah, they're kind of like
They're
little
kinda cute.
weird
They're
holiday
kinda
homes. But there's lots of them, like they go back for ages. Like, this is back in the city. We're exhausted from that other like hour cycle back.
It was way
wait.
harder on the way back, thank
Is that better? Oh. Squat walk.
Yeah, Scott all the way home.
So what's your review of Port Saplaya?
I had a good day. I had a really good day, but then I think a lot of that was to do with just the sun being out and being on holiday and stuff. I thought it was interesting. It was interesting. I wouldn't say that it was like, wow, you should go visit Port Saplaya.
So you wouldn't recommend it?
No.
Case closed.